Time for unboxing. Can't get my keys. Go back to old school to show you what I got today. Here it is. The one needs to be unboxing, y'all. So let me figure a way to turn this around and I'll cut you back on. Hi YouTube. This is what it is in this box. I got my radiator in, got fans, a shroud, all that's in this box right here. My little ends for it right here. I'll cut you back, yeah. There's all my ends for it right here. My harness, the ends right here. Temperature gauges, relays, switch for it. The relays is right here. All this right here is in this bag right here. So, sorry for short and sweet. When the body parts came in, looking for some more to come in anytime now. So, I'm gonna leave this in this, my box cut in this trunk. So, yeah, that's all is in this box right here, y'all. So, y'all know my radiator. Got dual fan setup right here. 2 fans, one right here, one right here. About to go down, y'all. Next month, cars are finally going to the shop. So, sorry about this video, how it's so short, but it is what it is, right? So, I just ordered my oil pan this morning and my new cold air intake. It'll be here in the morning, so hopefully it'll be here in the morning, but you know how eBay ships stuff, so it took me 2 weeks to get this box right here. Just imagine how the other stuff will start coming in. So I'm gonna cut you back on once I get here and do a video about that too. So I'll talk to y'all soon, y'all. Love what you do and do what you love. I'm gone. Peace.